Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Discord account, the desktop app, and access to the developer portal. Open the portal and immediately create a new application. This becomes your Rich Presence container. Once created, go to the application settings, copy the client ID, and toggle any presence-related options. You do this now so tokens and ID are ready for the next steps. Having them on hand avoids back and forth and speeds up connecting your code or tool to Discord. Next, configure visual assets and tie them to your application. Upload images to Rich Presence assets and assign clear asset keys. Once done, implement the presence using a library or Discord RPC SDK. Initialize with the client ID, set state, details, timestamps, and reference image keys. Make sure to update presence fields responsively when activity changes. Once your code initializes, test locally in the desktop app to see live updates. This verifies keys and payload structure. Finalize by thoroughly testing. Run the app, observe the rich presence in your profile, and ask another user to confirm what they see. When satisfied, publish any public-facing details and ensure your app's intents and permissions are correct. If presence won't show, first make sure the desktop app is running and you're logged in, then confirm client ID matches, asset keys are exact, and your code reconnects after network drops. If problems persist, restart the app and reinitialize the RPC connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.